Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how we can deactivate like the Facebook accounts permanently. How can you delete your Facebook account permanently? Maybe you might be there asking yourself, how can I go with this Facebook account? How can I delete it from my phone, from my Android phone? And you're wondering how you can do it. So today I'm going to share with you this video to how you can delete it permanently from your Android phone. So today you make sure you are connected to the internet, then you open your Facebook app. Like for my case, I use Facebook Live, and you come and open your Facebook app when like you come here. You come here on these three lines going down, and you tap on them. Then when you tap on those three lines, you just scroll down and look for settings. You just scroll down and look for settings here. You just look for settings here, and you tap on settings. When you tap on settings, you just come on like here. You just come on account ownership and control. Account ownership and control here, and you tap on it to open. Account ownership and control. Yes, if you tap on account ownership and control, that means here you'll be displayed like deactivation and deletion. So temporarily you can delete or you can deactivate your account, or you can permanently delete your account. So you just come here, you first read through and you see what you can do. So this here deactivation and deletion. So you either come there and you tap on deactivation. Here you will be like shown the deactivation account. You can delete it. Like you must first read through all of them and see what you can do. So for deactivate will be disabled, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you were shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. So to delete it permanent, when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook, and your Messenger and all of your messages will be deleted. So here you either choose deactivate account or you choose delete account. It will depend on how you want your account to be. So you either choose deactivate or you choose like delete, and you see. So here delete, and if you come to continue, you'll see that they will tell you to deactivate it or delete it permanently. So let me hope that the viewers helped, and please, if you're new here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and like you like my videos and share the videos for people to benefit.
I wish that you were mine.